Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to use what3words in Kaiian, which is a popular ride-hailing app in Saudi Arabia. And in this app, you can enter the 3-word address in the pickup location as well as the drop-off location. So now let's see how this app works. When you open the app, the GPS automatically detects your current location. So you can just tap on Set Pickup, or if you want to give a specific location, say you were in a building with many entrances, you can enter the 3-word address. In order to do that, tap on Pin on Map bar here, and then in the search bar, enter the 3-word address. So I'm just gonna enter legal cheeks padding. I just chose a random 3-word address in Riyadh to show you, and the auto-suggest gives a list of suggestions, so I'm just gonna tap on the first one. Now you can see that pin is dropped on where this location is, and below the 3-word address appeared the traditional address, just to make sure. And now you can tap on Set Pickup. And now you have to choose the type of ride you would like. So different sizes. I'm just going to tap on the first one. And now you have to enter the drop-off location by tapping here. And I'm just going to enter a 3-word address. Certainty, Enigma, Legal. I'm going to choose the first one. And now it appeared in the drop-off location, and below you can see the estimated cost for this ride as well as the approximate time for pickup. That's basically it. Now you have to tap on Confirm Booking, and the app calls the nearest driver, and your driver is on the way. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.